Hello everyone, Randall here. So what we're doing is we're taking this package to the post office. Let's see here, it's been a while since let's see here. So I feel kind of like a jerk because I had this vending machine giveaway like, I don't know, a year ago. And anyways, Lynn was the owner, and I wasn't sure if I was gonna go through with this vending blog stuff. And so anyways, long story short, I didn't get the vending machine out to Lynn, and he was actually a really nice guy. And you know, he's just a really nice guy. He didn't beat me up over it or anything. And so anyways, here's his package, and we're taking it to the post office to send off to him because he deserves it. So because he's been patient, he's waited. I actually threw in some bonus items for him. And I'll have a video talking about that here in just you know, shortly. And so anyways, for those of you that don't know, I live here in Los Osos, and it's right next to Morro Bay. There's a big rock there, smokestacks. Everyone calls it 3 stacks in a rock. So anyways, it's kind of overcast today. It's being May 10th, a little bit overcast. Otherwise you guys will be able to see the bay as I'm driving down the hill here, but it seems to be overcast, so you can't see the water right now. But anywho, so we have like all this sewer stuff going on here. The saying for Los Osos is that we can't agree on crap. And they've been fighting over the sewer for who knows how long. And I mean, we're talking like 20, 30 years or more. I mean, longer than I've been alive, they've been trying to figure out this septic problem. So they got all the, everyone's has these leach pits and stuff, and they're saying that the sanitary septic systems that people have are apparently leaching into the bay. And so finally we agreed on some crap and they were able to start on the sewer system. So alright, I'm just gonna sneak up here into the post office. I got 25 minutes to get this machine off to you, Mr. Lynn. So very excited to do it, and I hope you like the bonus items that I put in there. Should help you sell some more products. You may, being that you've been in the vending business quite some time, you may already know what I'm talking about here. But get you on here. Hello. Hey, how you doing?
Good. What can I help you with today?
I just need to get that mailed off.
Where's it heading to?
Texas. Going to
Okay, let's do this. You're probably in no rush to get it there, or are you?
I
What's
don't know.
the zip? 7 what?
It's 76208.
208. Let's see here. You'd be looking at 2815. Probably get it there on Monday or Tuesday, or parcel supposed to be 1886. Probably get there in a week or so.
That's fine.
Okay. So here's what you're going to do. You're gonna put who it's going to, right? Just write it in here, and
Okay.
then put from up in the corner here, nice and small.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Thanks for doing that. You been out in the water lately?
I haven't. I've been just kind of changed gears, and I'm all now playing a bunch of softball. Play a couple nights a week, and then I got a tournament team that I've been playing with and
Morro Bay?
traveling. Playing Morro Bay on Thursday and
Okay.
Tuesday night.
All right.
And
Yeah,
then-
my pops plays Tuesday night.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Do you know what team it is?
Oh, I didn't
What's your
bring
dad's
my
name?
wallet.
Oh, are you serious?
I'm dead serious.
Well, you got 20 minutes.
Okay.
You just here in
Um,
town?
Yeah, I'm just up the street.
Yeah.
Can we just
leave
put that?
I'll leave it right
Okay,
here.
thank you.
All right, buddy.
Love it when I forget my wallet like that. Gosh dang it. Fortunately, I live close. And, geez Louise. Okay, that was completely idiotic. I love it. Today's battle, myself. All right. Sometimes that just is the case. Regardless, hey, Mr. Neighbor Bike Man. Hi. We got all kinds of bike riders up here, and I don't even know what the heck is up with that. But they want to take up the whole road. And I'm just trying to get a vending machine to the post office. Didn't help that I forgot my wallet now, didn't it, people? Jeez. All right. Well, let's hope I don't get a ticket. All right. Oh, sun's out. Just a little bit, you might be able to see the water over there. Way over there. I don't know if you can see it. One day, one of these videos is going to be gorgeous. You'll be able to see the 3 stacks in a rock and the bay. So, whoa. Man, it's so dang bumpy. Look at that. Only took me just a few minutes to get over to where I'm going here. Alright, dude. You're gonna have to move, man. Popo's up around the corner. I gotta let him know that I'm driving correctly, so I gotta hide the camera here. Hi, Mr. Police Officer. Oh, maybe one of my friends is trailing me right now. Maybe. 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 Nope. Too old to be my friend, pal. Now that's an odd sight to see. I don't know if you caught that or not. There's one of the homeless men in town carrying a kids pack and play. Now if that doesn't scare you, I don't know what will. We got quite a few homeless people here in town that have been booted out of San Luis Obispo, and so they're trying to, I don't know, it's better weather in San Luis Obispo usually. It changes too much here. Let's see the guy walking there. Let's go mail that pack.